Yes, I'm wearing a swirl. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. You also wear a swirl. I know. So, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys. Last week I didn't do any video due to everything that has been going on in the world. So I thought, okay, no. Out of respect, let's not do a video. So, for today's video, guys, I decided I'm going to look ugly. I'm going to start this video ugly and then I'm going to stop the video at the end with a full bang. So, yes, I have my pages on. Yes, I have my swirls on. Some say it's a hairnet. I call it a swirls. Okay, basically we call it a swirls here in South Africa in the colored community. We call it a swirls. But it's basically like a hairnet. When your hair is clean and you keep your hair straight. Yes. So for today's video, I thought I'm going to do a review on the Wet n Wild foundation. Oh my word. Why does it look so beautiful? And not also just the foundation. I'm going to use... Anyway, I'm going to use the primer for the very first time. Also Wet n Wild. This is the first time I'm using a primer. And I also got a blush. They had a special by Clicks. 3 for 2. So basically you pay for 3 and the cheapest one is free. So the foundation was 110 rand. Yes, 110 rand. The primer was 100 rand. And the blush was 80 rand. 80 rand. So obviously this one I got for free because this is the cheapest one. So basically one of my friends told me at work I should try this Wet n Wild foundation because it's good coverage. Because I have a problem with my skin. It's bad. And because I'm a hair care student and I also do beauty at the salon, I'm supposed to look like neat at all times. Especially the face area because that's the first thing, unfortunately, the client sees. So I thought, okay, let's give it a try. So I am going to start with primer. Oh my word, this is the first time I'm using primer. And I am not an expert when it comes to makeup. Makeup I will be doing in my 3rd year. And I can't wait. So I'm opening it for the first time. I think primer you apply like this. Some areas to the face. I think that is enough. Let's close this. So I'm going to try the primer now for the very first time. It smells. Oh my! It's almost like my face is being moisturized. And it has a very nice clean smell. I like the smell. Definitely I like the smell. And I think it's so cute. Especially for you guys or people out there that's traveling. You can just drop it in your bag. But it's cute. It's so small and it's just cute. Okay, that's one thing I like about it. Oh, please ignore this other side of my face. It absorbs very quick in the skin. It makes my skin feel smooth. Basically, oh, it feels nice. So I will give this 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 out of 10. So for the main ingredient, I opened this yesterday because I was so excited when I finally came from the shop. So the first time I went outside in 3 months. For the first time in 3 months. I was 3 months indoors. I didn't go anywhere. The furthest I went was my yard. Oh my god. That's how bad it is. Okay, so back to the video. I like some people call it a spatula. But it's cute because you can just dab it on your skin like this. It's cute. I'm already loving this. Now for the main thing, I'm going to have to see now if this foundation is going to cover this dark areas around my eye. If it does that, and covers those pimples. Then this is a 10 out of 10. Guys, I have an idea. I don't know why, but I am very fond of the small triangle. What do you call this? Beauty blender. Now I'm going to cut this now. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. I decided, look at my cute scissor. It's like a skull. It's almost like the ballet small girls. I'm going to cut this like this now. Okay, I'll keep it like this and you can see what I'm doing. If you don't want to do this, you don't need to do this, guys. I'm just very weird at the moment, and I would love a smaller one instead of this big fat thing in my hand. Ooh, oh my word. Am I going to regret this? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my word. No, I'm not regretting anything. Okay, for the coverage, guys, look at this. Oh my word, just look at this. I think I needed a little bit more foundation. I'll apply now. Look at that dark area around my eye. It's a bit lighter. Definitely the darker areas around my eye. Oh my word, I am loving this foundation. And also my friend said at work, this can last a girl up to a year. So basically, like I said in my previous video, don't think about it at the moment. Oh my word, I'm spending 110 rand on one foundation. Think about it. Is it going to last me long? If yes, then definitely spend. Save and spend. Okay, I'm going to apply more foundation. Woo! My word. The pimples isn't completely gone. Like this pimples came overnight. I honestly do not understand what is wrong with my face and my skin. I am going to try and get me a silk bonnet for my hair. Silk pillowcases, because I change my pillowcases like every second to third day because of my skin. That's how bad my... Oh my word. Okay, I always like the leftovers. I will always put a little bit on my neck just in case my neck. Oh, get this hair out of the way. Also guys, this is the first time I flat ironed my hair in almost 3 months. 3 months. Did my hair grow? Obviously, because my hair grows overnight. I don't understand. I can never ever keep a hairstyle or a haircut for long. And sometimes it's so irritating. Because I have a bob today, tomorrow, then it's a medium length. It's madness. That's why I'm not scared to cut my hair. Oh my word. Okay, first of all guys, coverage. Coverage is 8 out of 10. Like you can literally almost, you can't see my pimples. You can see the bumps, yes. But coverage, for me in South Africa, and I don't like to spend money, it's on the dot. That's fine. The color around my eyes, I have concealer, so I can always apply a little bit of concealer before I apply the foundation. Then if I want more, if I wanted like the eye area to stand out a bit more and the dark area is gone, I can always do that. But for the days where I don't feel like it, I think this, guys, this is pretty good for just a foundation. You guys saw how dark my face is before I put on this foundation. So, and the reason why I added a blush, this is the first time I'm using primer and blush, because I thought if this foundation is obviously a bit expensive, which means I'm going to have to add color to my face, where I didn't have to do that before because I use cheapies. Yes, I love cheapies. I don't like to spend money, unfortunately. So let's try this. I opened this last night because I was so excited. Guys, I get excited for the smallest things. Why? Because it's the small things that matter. Of course. I always get so happy when I get new stuff or new things. Like, please just don't let me struggle. So for the foundation, guys, definitely for me, I will say 9.5 out of 10. For me personally, it's good enough. Definitely. And if it's going to last me a year for 110 rand, definitely. The smell, I like the smell. Nice and clean. The same with the primer. It's nice and cute. Also small. You can travel with it for those that are traveling. And the color I got for my skin color, it's Toffee Pecan. Toffee Pecan. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation Fondant. Medium deep Toffee Pecan. And the foundation, it's a bit liquid. It's like a bit liquidy. I don't know if that's the right word, but it's not runny. And you can feel, you don't need to worry about that foundation where it will immediately smudge or it soaks nicely in the skin. And I think it's the primer that also does that. That's good. So for the blush, let's try it. The color is apricot in the middle. I don't know. That's the name. Why am I struggling to open it? It's like a small thing here, but I'm struggling to open it. You do get a small brush like this with the blush, but I always use my ring finger. This finger there. I use that finger, and this is all I do. And then I just do this. And you know what I like about this color? It's so shimmery. So it's almost like a highlighter also. Like a 2-in-1. Like you will see a little bit of glow. Just look at that. Guys, excuse the pimples. I know it's not very nice. I know. But don't judge me because you also have pimples. Thank you. Good. Now for the other side. Let's do this. Oh my golly, Miss Molly. Where is she going? I think that's even. Let's dab on here. I thought maybe I must try a little bit on the eye area as well. But I don't want to put anything on the eye area. This is primer, foundation, and a little bit of blush. Maybe some lippies. I have a perfect color that will go with this. And then I also have this from Avon, also shimmery. This is like if you don't want to go all out. I am going to put on a better t-shirt, and I'm going to take off this thing. Then I'm going to see how it looks without any mascara, eyeliner, eye pencil, or what do you call that one here? Or any, can't get to the name. I'll get to the name, guys. So 3, 2, 1, and ooh, you guys are probably thinking, who's this girl? Who's this girl? Update on the hair, guys. I didn't say anything on my channel, but 2 months ago I cut this hair, probably until here. 2 months ago, and look at the growth. Anyway, 2 months ago, and then I decided just to redo the whole head black. Back to the roots, back to the roots. So who's this girl? So guys, this is the final look. As you can see, this is primer, foundation, a little bit of blush, like a 2-in-1 highlighter. You can see that little pink. Oh, just look at that. If I do this, just look at it. Oh my god, it must more. Anyway, this is no mascara, no eyeliner, no eye pencil, and no eyeshadow. That's the word. I couldn't get to the word. Then just wash your hair, This is probably, I think this is probably the first time my hair's been clean on my channel. Am I disgusting? Yes, sometimes. Are you disgusting? Yes. Why? Because we're all human. Ooh. So guys, that has been my review on Wet and Wild, and I am in love. This is the first really expensive, okay, not really expensive, but first really expensive things in my makeup collection. Ooh. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share all my videos. If you like this video, then comment below. If you maybe want to see a part 2 something, I don't know. Part. Until next time.